Hello and welcome to MyCredits. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how MyCredits works and probably answering a lot of your questions. So make sure you do not tune out of this video. I'm going to show you how you can redeem your offers, how to set up your PayPal, all the different things that you need to know for a MyCredits account. So first off, I'm logged in on a desktop. So if you just signed up, you can either be on the mobile phone or you'll be on your desktop. In order to track your brand engagement, you have to have the extension downloaded on your desktop up here, or you need to have the app downloaded on your Apple phone or Android phone. If you signed up on a mobile phone, very important to note, if you're in the browser version, like you just signed up, you need to download the app. It should pop up for you on your screen. There should be some type of prompt that says, hey, download, you're on this device, but just make sure you download that, and then that's where you can start engaging with like newsletter signups or engaging with video content. So after you get the browser extension downloaded, you can download it for Chrome, Firefox, Safari. All you need to do is click this button up here. The next thing you need to do is connect your PayPal account. This is how you're going to get paid out each month after you earn your credits, which you can see your credits here. So right now, I've already earned a fraction of a credit here for watching video. And at the end of the month, if I'm one of the top users with this company, I'll end up getting cash payout to my PayPal account. So the more I earn, the better chance I have to get paid out here. So the next thing is, after you get your PayPal connected, it's a free account if you need to get that set up, or you can connect an existing account. You can go here and share all these different offers with your friends on social media or through email. How it works is if you share this referral link out, this is your unique link. When people sign up to it, you can earn more credits. The other way you can earn credits is by engaging with video content. And then additionally, you'll see a ton of different offers, and every company will have different things set up. But basically, you can see here for Bob Smith Coaching, I can sign up for their newsletter. But a lot of times you'll see companies have, if you book a call with them, or there's millions of different ways that you can earn credits from companies, but it's really up to them what kind of offers they set up. Obviously, making purchases as well. So if you make regular purchases with a company, you can earn credits for that every single month. So that's a little bit of how that works. In order to share out those posts, you can either use this link or you can click on this right here. So I can click here, click on the Facebook. It'll pop up in this screen, and then I can type in some new text and have people sign up. You can also share it out on email, Twitter, or on Reddit. That's specifically how sharing out those offers works. And you can easily click on products and videos to kind of organize it. You can also filter. So if you want to see very recent offers, you can go to like this month, last month, or today. There's different filters that you can use. So here in a moment, I'll show you how the actual tracking works. But first, let's go over to Activities tab. So I just watched a video, and I want to know that if my credits went through. Sometimes this can take a few minutes. So if you watch a video, just give it a few minutes. If anything, 10 minutes tops. It might just take a little time, but it'll pop up eventually. Same with purchase. So if I purchase a product, you'll see Bob's coaching product show up here as well. So anyways, there's tons of different offers that you can earn credits from. The next thing I want to show you is how the tracking actually works. So like I said, you have to be logged into this browser extension for it to work. As you can see here, another thing is you can have one account for MyCredits and be logged into multiple different companies at the same time. So for instance, I can go and see how many rewards I've earned for any of these other businesses here. So I could switch to this other account and then see all of their content. But first, I'm just going to go back here. So what I want to do now is click on one of these videos and show you how the tracking works. Here in a moment, I'll show you how it works in the mobile phone as well. Just bear with me here. So as this video loads, once it starts playing, you'll see that this icon turns green. So the MyCredits brain engagement tracker will turn green when it's actually tracking activity on the page. But as soon as I pause a video or stop taking an action on this page, it'll turn purple. So you need to make sure that this is an active window. You can't switch to another page like this and keep tracking it. It'll turn off. So you have to have this window open. It doesn't matter if it's embedded on another website. You just need to make sure that the tracker is green, and then you'll know that you're earning credits. Then after a few minutes, you can go back into your account. You can go to your activity tab, either on the mobile phone or inside the mobile app or inside of the desktop app, and you can see if you've earned credits down here. So that's kind of how that works. I can jump over and show you guys how the mobile version of that works. So basically, it's the same thing. I can click here to claim this offer. I could sign up for the newsletter and just click that link. It'll take me to the website where I can sign up. So it technically uses a browser inside of the app. So I know it seems like it's taking you away, but it's not. Same with the video stuff. So if I just click watch video here, it pulls up, and then I just click play. Right now, it's going to be tracking my video view. One big thing I will point out is that if you don't hear any sound and you might have your phone muted, like I have the sound on, but you have to, like on the iPhone, you have a little switch that you can turn it from vibrate to ring. So make sure you turn it on ring so it's actually the sound's coming through there. So yeah, so all I have to do there is just click back to app, and then I can just go back to any other video. And then down on the bottom, you'll see we have the videos tab, rewards, which will show me the total minutes watched. There isn't as much data here as there is inside of your desktop, as you can see. But yeah, so that's the gist of it. And if you click on more in the bottom right, that's how you can log into your other accounts as well. So if you need to log out or go back to this other screen, you just hit back there. But yeah, so that's kind of how the mobile app works. And overall, if you guys have any questions, you can always visit MyCredits.io and then go to contact. So if you click on support up here, and then you go down to customer support and ask us any questions you have. But just to review, when you log into your MyCredits account, you need to make sure you download the browser extension. Make sure you connect your PayPal, and each month, depending on how many credits you earn, you can get paid out to your PayPal. You can earn credits for, taking a ton of different actions. You just go up here to products, or you go to videos, and you can see all the different offers that you can redeem for credits. Again, if you guys have any questions, just visit our support and let us know, and we'll help you out. Have a great day.